Your first look at all new Top Gear TV Series 25. Matt LeBlanc, Chris Harris and Rory Reid return from the law. Ken Block. Top Gear TV returns to your screens in 2018 with a brand new series. And here's your very first look. Our trio on the run from the man with no regard for tyres, or physics, or friendship. It's Ken Block, and today, he is the law. Yep, Ken's got a badge and a penchant for dispensing tickets. In this little trailer, we find Matt, Chris and Rory in a trio of V8 powered sports cars. Can you name all three? In an attempt to outrun Block's very intimidating blues and twos. Have a watch of the trailer above and stay tuned for more news about Series 25 of Top Gear TV in the new year. I will have more Top Gear news for you very shortly. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you